What's happening, everybody? Today we have the Talon T-787 dual motor e-bike. Now, the unique thing about this bike is it not only has dual motors, but it also has two batteries. And that's what's exciting about this one. So let's unbox this thing and let's see how this looks.
Now, this bike is extremely heavy. Now, if we look over here before we jump into it, it is 60 kilograms. Oh my goodness, 120 something pounds. And then we have the net weight of 50 over, so it's still over 100 pounds. Over 100 pounds on an e-bike. It's pretty crazy. But this one is interesting. Oh, it looks comfortable. I like these seats. Now, I have the TST, which has this style seat right here, and I still have it to this day, and the thing's incredible. It's really comfortable. I think that's the battery up here. Oh, I see a couple boxes here, as is usual. We're gonna have to look what's in the box. And that's what I like to see. Product manual. All right, let's go through this real quick. Ooh, it's a printed manual. It's not the greatest. All right, this is what we're looking for. Main technical parameter. So it's got a fat tire, Shimano, which is good. 750 watt motor, 48 volt, 20 miles an hour. I'm sure we can upgrade that. Max payload 300 pounds, weight 80 pounds. Okay, I don't think this is the right one. I think this is the single motor one. Hopefully I got the dual motor. We're about to find out. Oh yeah, that's the dual motor, all right. I'm gonna do these shorter unboxing in the future. All right, so the front tire has got a motor, so that's super interesting. Can't wait to see how that runs. This tread here is mostly street, as you can see, so we'll see how that performs in the dirt. And I'm gonna try this out afterwards. I do like this setup more than some other bikes. There she goes, like that. That's what you want to see. This is tradition. All right, let's tighten this one down now. All right, good enough. All right, now that the Talon has two batteries, I actually ended up having to plug both of them in right here and here to get them charged a little bit quicker so we can get out of the road and try this bad boy. I'm super interested in this thing. Definitely interested in unique e-bikes like this where they have two motors. It's a small chassis. It's relatively light. This seems like something that's right up my ballpark. And the fact of the matter is it has like good parts, like Shimano. This is a good derailleur system. This is one of the newer ones. You can see it right there. It's a Shimano Tourney TZ, and it's got hydraulic brakes. Seems like a really high quality bike. So far, it feels very comfortable too. You know, not as comfortable as the seat as the TST, but still very comfortable. I like these style seats right here. More of a moped. Yeah, let's get this thing out. Let's try it out. Okay, finally, we have the Talon fully charged. That's one battery, and that's two batteries. So now that we're fully charged, we're going to get it out on the road and test it out. Two-wheel drive is better than one-wheel drive. I'm going to up a little bit higher. We're going to try this off-road first. I don't know if this is going to be annoying on camera. I'm going to try this out. Whoa, coyote droppings. All right, sorry, the clicking might be annoying. Suspension, not the greatest. Whoa, this seems pretty quick. This thing's got some wicked torque. Oh my goodness. This is fast. Wow. Jeez, all-wheel drive e-bikes are something else. Probably gonna have to remove those NFCs. Whoa, holy moly. I'm going up a hill 30. This is faster than the dirt bike I have. Sheesh. Sketchy, but very fast. We're gonna try the suspension. We're gonna try it over the jump. This is an on-road commuter that I'm taking off-road. This thing is fast. All-wheel drive is gnarly. Oh, no, I gotta tighten the handlebars up. Okay. Wow. This thing is gnarly. Sheesh. Yeah. Suspension leaves a little bit to be desired. Gonna have to tighten those handlebars. Sorry about the wind. Whoa, this bike is crazy. Oh, what the? This thing faster than some of the dirt bikes. Whoa. Wow, holy shnikes. Okay, so suspension, like a 2 out of 5, but these motors on this thing are nuts. You can probably hear all the click and clacking. Suspension is not the most comfortable thing on the planet. This is fast. This is an on-road bike. The suspension is pretty much an afterthought, but the motors are very powerful. You can see it dig. You can feel that dig, that front wheel drive. Oh, but you can see it's hopping all over the place. I do have probably too much PSI in here. Jeez, 31. We're gonna give this a try on the road for a top speed. This will get through the mud, guaranteed. The brakes are excellent. Man, hydraulic brake system, Shimano derailleur right here is a PAS. Oh my goodness. This is a great Shimano derailleur too. It's not a cheap one. This thing is no joke. Well, we're gonna see if this can get up the hill. No, it's not gonna get up here. Holy moly, actually it will. What the? Whoa! Whoa! There's a lot of torque on this thing. You can see it burning out going up the hill. That's freaking gnarly. Whoa, this has got to be, oh my goodness, some of the most torque I've felt on an e-bike. Holy moly, 750 watts? I know it's a dual, but that's crazy. Whoa. All right. Oh. And fast, top speed. It says 20 miles an hour max, but this is not 20 miles an hour max. This is way faster. I mean, I'm doing 20 up the hill here. Oh. Jeez. Would not recommend it off-road. All right, top speed time. This thing is just ridiculous torque. I can't wait to try this out. The top speed, this thing is going to be crazy fast. Suspension, not good. Brakes are excellent. Let's tilt that up so you can see the top speed. This is an awesome little bike. Okay, so this was 47 was the speed on that dirt bike from Q-Range. We're gonna stop, we're gonna save the Q-Range speed. We're gonna play on this one. Okay, my guess on this bike, it said 30 or 31. My guess is gonna be probably in the 30 range on the flat. My guess is 35 downhill, 30 on the flat. This thing is so fast. Oh my goodness. Whoa. There's 35. It cuts at 35. I wonder if we can overclock that. Wow, these brakes are so good. Normally I'm like, you don't need hydraulic brakes, but all right, let's try it up a hill. A lot of torque. Most torque I've felt on a 20-inch e-bike. Wow. 35 up a hill. My goodness. This thing is quick. This is a quick little e-bike. Ow. Whee! Whoa, this thing is awesome. Okay. I'm going to put the Talon at a 4 out of 5 just because it's quick, it's fun, good brakes. Everything's really good on it. It's just the suspension's lacking. 36 miles an hour, which we saw. So that goes to show that downhill was accurate, and that flat ground 35 was also accurate. What an amazing little bike. So we hit 35 miles an hour on the Talon dual motor, and I gotta say, this is probably my favorite 20-inch fat tire e-bike. It's more of a moped than it is an e-bike. It's not good off-road, but on-road it is about the best you're gonna be able to get. Let's talk about this from the top of the hill. There it is, the Talon dual motor. And this thing is a riot. Wow, this thing is fast. Holy moly, if you need to get places quick, here you go. This is like a moped, but better. A lot of fun. That's an awesome machine. Two-wheel drive e-bikes are by far my most fun so far. And I gotta say, if you gotta get a two-wheel drive one, that's the way to go. If you don't have to go distance-wise, which is what we're gonna test next, a long distance one of these, this is not gonna go as long distance as the other ones, but still, what a blast. Overall, good bike, pretty comfortable, not good off-road, good on-road, you know, extremely fast. And that's what I have to say about the Talon. Great little machine here. Awesome. Thanks, Talon, for letting me try this thing out. If you want this, check the description below in the top comment. Get yourself a couple bucks off of this thing and have a good time with it. Overall, really good, really solid e-bike. Extremely fast. So much torque. The most torque out of a 48-volt electric bike I have felt since the H6. This thing is awesome. Just an amazing commuter. You know, tires are great for the roads, And that's what I got to say about that. Leave a comment below if you want to see any more, if you have any questions about this thing. This one I'd give on-road a 4 out of 5. Off-road, I'd give it like a 3 out of 5. So again, just a great little product, good price. I'm almost pushing this one to a 4 out of 5. Awesome machine, really comfortable seat, overall comfort, just needs better suspension. That's pretty much it, you know, for the price. Again, just an incredible machine. Out of a land of 1,000 e-bikes, to see somebody do a little bit something differently, like all-wheel drive, great thing to see. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. We will catch you in the next one. Take it easy.